Students, in this class, we are going to discuss the concept of Laplace's and Poisson's equations. These equations are just derived from our known equations, like point form of the Gauss law, and the next one is the relation between D and E, and the next one is the relation between E and V. And we are going to develop within no time all these equations. Of course, Laplace's and Poisson equations are also defined in other coordinate systems. Let us see, within no time we are going to develop these expressions. So, what is the point form of the Gauss law? The point form of the Gauss law is del dot d bar is equal to rho v. So, this is the first equation I can say. Second one is what is d bar? D bar is nothing but epsilon times E bar. This is the relation between d bar and E bar, second equation. And what is E bar? E bar is equal to minus del V. So, this is nothing but the third equation. Just you substitute second and third in one, you are going to get some Laplace's and Poisson's equations. So, substituting 2 and 3, substituting 2 and 3 in 1, 2 and 3 in 1, we have, what is this? Del dot of, what is d bar here? Epsilon times E bar is equal to rho v. What is E bar from third? Minus del v. Del dot of epsilon into minus del v is equal to rho v. Okay. So, I can say del dot of del v is equal to minus rho v by epsilon. And del dot of del v you can write it as del square v, that is nothing but del square v is equal to minus rho v by epsilon, and this is the equation of Poisson's equation. This is Poisson's equation. Poisson's equation. Okay. In this Poisson's equation, if you make rho v is equal to 0, rho v means the charge density is equal to 0 and keeping other charge configurations existing. Otherwise, rho v 0 చేస్తే ఇంక ఏది కూడా ఉండదు. So, rho v 0 చేసిన మిగతా charge configurations like you have to allow line charge, surface charge or point charges, then the field may exist. Otherwise, there is no question of fields. But now, if you make only the volume charge density rho v is equal to 0, then I can say del square v is equal to 0, and which is nothing but Laplace's equation. This is Laplace's equation. Laplace's equation, you can state it here like this. Del square v is equal to 0 means squared del operator. It is squared del operator. Del square v is equal to 0. It is nothing but the Laplace's equation. So many times we can pronounce like this. Del square v is equal to 0 ni Laplacian of v is equal to 0 అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. You can call it as a Laplacian of v is equal to 0. Laplacian of v is 0. That is called Laplace's equation. So, whenever you are taking del square v is equal to 0, it is a second order differential equation, and we can prove it just now. What is del square v? This del square v, happily you can prove like this. Dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square plus dou square v by dou z square is equal to how much? 0. This is nothing but your del square v, second order differential equation. Whenever it is a second order differential equation, from our own mathematics we can say there are two solutions for this. So, if you take del square v is equal to 0, this del square v is equal to 0 may be having the solutions v1 and v2. రెండుంటాయి. And these two things are symmetrical and identical అని చెప్పేసి we are going to prove that v1 and v2 are identical. They are one and same using that theorem, uniqueness theorem, which is going to be discussed in the next class. So, uniqueness theorem can prove that the solution of this Laplacian equation is identical. That means v1 is equal to v2. Now, just now I have written del square v is equal to dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square plus dou square v by dou z square. Then very simple, from this you can calculate and from this you can derive. What is del v? you know this, gradient of potential. Then you apply divergence. Then you are going to get this equation. So how to get this equation? Within no time, I can prove that del square V is equal to this thing. Del dot of del V is equal to minus rho V by epsilon. This is the equation. You substitute here, what is del V? Del V means dou V by dou X into AX, gradient operator, plus dou V by dou Y into AY, plus dou V by dou Z into AZ. This is a gradient operator. Del dot of, that means del dot of d bar is equal to, that means you can say del dot of A, some vector A అనుకోండి. ఎలా చేస్తారు మీరు? dou X by dou X plus dou AY by dou Y plus dou AZ by dou Z. This is nothing but del dot A. Though in the place of A, you have to substitute this entire thing. So AX means dou V by dou X. AY means dou V by dou Y. AZ means dou V by dou Z. So you can say this is equal to del dot of del V is equal to, then both I am combining, dou by dou X of AX. What is AX? What is AX here? In the place of AX, what you have to write down? This is del dot A is equal to dou AX by AX. AX means dou V by dou X. Dou V by dou X plus dou by dou Y of dou V by dou Y plus dou by dou Z of dou V by dou Z. Then simplify this. This is dou square V by dou X square plus second one is dou square V by dou Y square plus third one is dou square V by dou Z square. This is nothing but del square V. So in this way, you have to recollect your formulas to construct this relationship. So this is nothing but the Laplacian equation del square V is equal to this much. So if del square V is equal to 0, it is Laplace's equation. If it is not 0, if it is having a source, it is a Poisson's equation. చాలా మంది కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యేది, ఇది Laplace's, ఇది Poisson అనుకుంటారు. But this is the Poisson's equation and this is the Laplacian equation. So just for clarity, just to save the time, now I am giving the formulas for del square V means Laplacian of V, that means square del operator in other coordinate systems also. The second one is, first one is already covered, and the second one is del square V is equal to 1 by rho, dou by dou rho of rho dou V by dou rho plus 1 by rho square, dou square V by dou phi square plus dou square V by dou Z square in cylindrical coordinate system. And in spherical coordinate system, del square V is expressed in r theta phi. So of course these formulas are not required at this moment, but try to understand that for divergence, for curling, for gradient, for Laplacian operator, all these things should be expressed in all other coordinate systems. So students, I can say finally, if you take a del operator is creating miracles because del enni vinyasalu chestundante, if you listen carefully, and del is doing so many miracles in this electromagnetics. One is, it is taking the divergence. Suppose for example, del dot of d bar, which is a point form of the Gauss law, is nothing but rho v, here dot product. Del is doing a dot product with this vector, it is nothing but a scalar, rho v. Del cross E is equal to 0, it is curling with electric field in electrostatics. That means it is doing curling operation here. And it is doing gradient operation, del V is equal to minus C, it is nothing but a gradient operator. And just now you have seen del square V is equal to minus rho V by epsilon, Poisson's equation here. What you have to observe? Del operator, the basic operator, vector operator, dou by dou X into AX plus dou by dou Y into AY plus dou by dou Z into AZ. The simple del operator is doing miracles. ఒకసారి డాట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ చేస్తుంది, ఒకసారి క్రాస్, ఒకసారి డైరెక్ట్గా స్కేలార్ మీద ఆపరేట్ అవుతుంది, ఇంకోటి స్క్వేర్డ్ డెల్ ఆపరేటర్ అవుతుంది. సో ఈ డెల్ ఆపరేట్ చేసిన మిరాకిల్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ ది కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ ఎలక్ట్రోస్టాటిక్స్. అంచేత చూడండి, ది ఫస్ట్ వన్ వీ హావ్ సీన్ ఇన్ ది పాయింట్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ది గాస్ లా అండ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫస్ట్ మ్యాక్స్వెల్స్ ఈక్వేషన్. డెల్ క్రాస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అంటే లా ఆఫ్ కన్జర్వేటివ్ ఫీల్డ్, సెకండ్ మ్యాక్స్వెల్స్ ఈక్వేషన్. Del V is equal to minus C, excellent concept, gradient. And the third one is square del operator, the fourth concept. And here it has done so many miracles. That's the reason. Please understand the importance of the del operator. I told you what is the unit of del operator? Unit of del, most important, is per meter, 1 by meter, or otherwise meter inverse. So in this way, try to understand the concepts. So the very first one is the Poisson's equation, del square is equal to minus rho v by epsilon, and del square v is equal to 0 means it is a Laplace's equation. So I hope you understood the concepts of Laplace and Poisson's equations, and definitely we can do some problems in future classes. Okay, thank you then.